Hello, good afternoon everyone. Welcome back with me again. Okay, so this time I'm back to Kuta because I have a request to see the townhouse Kuta. So let's go and see the situation that is located in Poppies Lane 1. So I will drive you to Poppies Lane 1 and also later let's have a look at Poppies Lane 2, guys. And as you can see, it's a bit, how to say it, not really bad traffic jam, yeah, still moving. And here we are entering Poppies Lane 1. I think last time I came here it was about a month ago, if not mistaken. And here is Kuta 1. And as you can see, the weather today is not really good. The rain is off, on and off, something like that. We got a little bit of rain earlier and then stopped now. So hopefully it will not rain soon. And this is the Kuta Puri. They have the restaurant. And I have the hotel, of course, is open. And look at the weather, guys. It's a bit cloudy. And here all the shops, they are open. And there is a new business. I think a gelato or something I just passed by. It's a cafe that's selling ice cream, basically. Here is Tree House Cafe. By this time, of course, it's not really busy yet because now it's around 4:30, almost 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So maybe when you come at dinner time, it will be more people. And here is the Cadence Inn Hotel. They have their restaurant as well. There are some tourists walking around in this area, which is good to see that. And this one on the left side, I think this is new business here. Nasara Studio, I think this is Tattoo Studio, and here is, what is this, like coffee shop. And I have Bali Diva Hotel here on the right side and Diva's Cafe. And look at this here on the left side, this is the Swell Cafe, not really busy. Here is Masa Inn Hotel, guys. This hotel is quite big, yeah, for this area. I've been to this hotel during COVID-19. They have a lot of rooms. They have a nice pool, I can say, very clean. They have 2 pools. And they have Low Wallon Hotel here. They have restaurants, the bar. And here on the left side, this is the new project. Nothing much is happening. I mean, from the last time I came here. Still, I don't know what they are doing inside. We can't see from outside. But from the sign here says Hotel Bali Project or Project Hotel Kuta Bali. Let's see. And also I will show you closer about the Kuta Townhouses. And here is Warung Bamboo. Last time someone mentioned this Warung Bamboo. Anyway, that Warung Bamboo is open. Even during COVID-19, I think they were open, yeah. Wow, not really sure what happened here in the front. It's traffic jam. I think it started raining again. I hope it will be not really bad raining so that I can finish this video. There's a new tattoo studio here. And here, that's a small warung. So for you that been staying in this area, maybe you will recognize there are some changing. There are some new businesses have opened, and I hope everyone will survive. And this is the spa, another tattoo studio, And here on the left side, this is the Kuta Townhouses. Oh, look at this. I think they are open, yeah. The bar is open. I can see the staff serving drinks. So this is good news for you that planning to stay here. Maybe not fully open, but there are some rooms that open for people to stay. And right there, as you can see, still there is a big project ongoing. Let's see in the future. So for you that requesting to see Kuta Townhouses, that was the situation. Glad to see they are open. And this is the situations around here, guys. Some restaurants open here, and also this one, I think this is Italian restaurant. And tattoo studio open. And here in the front is the Santorini restaurant. Well, even by this time, there are some people enjoying their food here. It's local waro. And here is the Gemini Hotel, and I have the restaurant as well. Last time also someone mentioned this hotel, and I can say the hotel is open. They have the restaurants also open, and here in front of the hotel, if you like to try Indonesian food, there is a small restaurants or cafe that serving Indonesian food, guys. And here, if you go to the right, you will go to Jalan Legian, but this time I will go to the left. Let's see a little bit here at Poppies Lane 2. Nothing much is happening here at the moment. Maybe because of the weather. The rain is off and on, so people choose to stay at the hotel. And here is the restaurant. It's open. I think it's Korean restaurant or something. And here they have Paula's Kitchen and Bar. That is new. Here they have Burjo's bar on the right side. This place is always busy, yeah? And here also they have Royal Jack Spot Bar and Grill. I think this is part of the hotel, yeah? Grand Barong Resort here on the left side. Here they have Turtle Restaurants and Spot Bar. Look at this. Nice place as well. And look at this, all the shops are open, guys. There are so many stuffs here. And here on the right side, I think this place is got clean, yeah. But the hotels here next to it still remaining closed. So they've been closed like very long time since COVID-19 until now, still remaining closed. I know some of you been staying here, so it's really sad to see. Whoa. There are so many cars coming. Here on the right side, I think most of you know this is the mall, Beachwalk Mall, the back entrance. I think this is the most famous mall in Kuta. We have few malls, Lipo Mall, Discovery. I think Beachwalk is the busiest, yeah. And here on the left side, also there are so many shops. All of them are open. So for you that love shopping, you can come to this area. But of course, you need to bargain, yeah. I know maybe some of you they don't have any what you call this habit in bargaining stuff, but in this kind of place, they don't have any price tag, and I think I don't say all, maybe some of them or most of them will start to give like from very high price and expect you to bargain, guys. So just do your best. And here is the Fat Chow restaurant. Look at this. Look, this restaurant is famous, yeah? Even by this time there are so many people here. Wow, there are so many cars coming. A nice car coming in front of us. Wow, look at this. Really busy. A lot of cars stopping in front of the mall. Let's drive a little bit more to see the mall. I mean from outside. This is the situation. A lot of people stopping here in this mall. But unfortunately the weather is not really good today. And look at this, guys, here on the right side. The mall is busy. The cafes area is really busy. A lot of people spending their time there, enjoying the drinks, food, and etc. So, what do you think about this area in Kuta? Would you like to stay around here maybe? Okay everyone, that's all for today's video from this area. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to support me by subscribing this channel. See you again in the next video. Thank you very much and bye now.